Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby Beautiful Natural Makeup, so for short you can call me Ruby. Welcome to my channel, you guys. Today I am going to do another eye look from my Juvias Place eyeshadow palette, which is the Festival. So this is the palette, you guys, that I am going to use from, and these are the color right in here, you guys. So I am going to go into this eyeshadow here, and I'm gonna go into this one right here, this color right here, you guys, and this is how this color look. So I'm gonna go into it. So guys, I am happy with this look, this is my final look from my Juvias Place eyeshadow palette, the festival. Okay, you guys, so let's show you the color that I use from this palette. I have used this under my brow bone. Use this one. So I use this one first. Right here and here. And then I go into it, this one also. Tap it right here and here to blend. And then I go in with this blue color right here and the lid, you guys. And then I also put some of this color right here in between, just a little bit, because I don't want to have problem with my eye. And then I also use this one here and my lip with a lip gloss. So this is what I'm wearing on my lip, you guys, today. And this is my final look. This is the final look, you guys, of this eyeshadow palette. I just want to say thank you so much again for watching, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit the red subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell that when I upload a video you can be notified. Thank you so much, you guys. God bless you, and I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.